Hello, short instructional video on how to package an Olympia SF typewriter for shipping without killing it. First thing is to make sure that the carriage lock is disengaged. That's that guy right there. It's not strong enough to actually help the machine. It'll only get bent and damaged. So you need to be able to free up the gears inside the machine so they don't get damaged, right? Well, the way that you do this is with the carriage release lever, that guy right there. Now what you're going to need to actually accomplish that is a big stout rubber band like you would get off broccoli at the produce section. You can get these for free, just go in and ask. What you're going to do is loop it around there like so, and this will disengage the lever to where your carriage is doing this, right? Wrap around the front of the platen knob all the way around. All the way around one more time. The rubber band should be getting tight by this point, but not too tight. You're going to hook it back over the very top there, and voila, done. Now it can move freely without the gears being engaged. At this point you'll need to take a piece of rolled up newspaper, put it down into the type bar tray to where they don't all do that in shipping, and then either carefully pad the thing inside its own case, or, and this is what I normally do, wrap the back half of the machine all the way around in plastic cling wrap, like saran wrap from your kitchen, and then put it inside the case and pad it. It should have about 2 to 3 inches of padding on all sides once it's actually inside its box, and should be snug enough to where you could shake the box and you don't hear the typewriter moving inside. Hope this helps. Thank you very much.